So business intelligence is about increasing the decision-making capability of a business. If you're looking at your business in a rearview mirror and looking maybe at your financials as they've happened, that's already too late. So we really focus on working with organisations to identify what their lead indicators are. In a sales situation, it might be the number of activities that a salesperson is doing, not the revenue that they've made at the end of the day. So we'll come in and we'll run workshops with you to identify what are the data key points that you're trying to actually make decisions off. What's the driver of your business? And then give you dashboards and reporting systems and analytics that allow you to see those measures and metrics in real time. Often you'll find the same information is reported across a business in different places and it's all measured in a different way. So we really work with the organisations to cross-business make sure they understand and have common naming conventions and terms and data sources so that it really brings teams together rather than polarising them. Building dashboards and reporting systems and management information systems off of that lead indicator information means that you can know what's happening in your business, across the business, in real time, and then being able to make decisions that have positive impacts on the business before it's too late.
For more information, visit our website, ECLEVA.com.